The BJP has welcomed Rajnikant's decision to launch a political party. That's the latest coming in. Narayan Tirupati, the BJP spokesperson, has said, and I quote, Rajni is going to be filling in the vacuum that Jayalalitha and Karunanidhi left. We do not have any charismatic leader, and I think Rajni is going to fill the gap, unquote. That's the latest coming in right there. Going straight across to my guests who are still with us, N. Umashankar, Rajnikant supporter. Mr. Umashankar, BJP welcoming this decision, going on to say that that big gap that Jayalalitha and Karunanidhi left is going to be filled by Rajnikant. How hopeful are you that that void of that larger-than-life figure that Tamil Nadu had is now going to be filled in by Rajnikant at this point of time? And somewhere the BJP's warm welcome with open hands also signalling the fact that there could be an open invitation for him to form an alliance with the Bharatiya Janata Party.
No, we can't take such leads from that. Mr. Narayan Tirupati, out of his desire to speak the truth out, has in an immediate reaction. People always say these things. Immediate reaction is the truth is that.
No, Mr. Umashankar, I was speaking to Mr. Gurumurthy as well, who's had multiple rounds of discussions with Rajnikant, and he did not rule that possibility out either.
We do. Mr. Rajnikant has fronts everywhere. He has got admirers everywhere, fronts everywhere. I will not be surprised if such messages come from other parties also, not only BJP. I will not be surprised if one message comes from DMK also.
Right, but I'm going to take this to C. Rajashekaran as well. C. Rajashekaran, BJP welcoming the decision of Rajnikant to launch his own political party. Narayan Tirupati has put out that statement too. We do know he shares a great rapport with Prime Minister Modi. There's Gurumurthy going on to say as well that you cannot rule out the possibility of there being an alliance with the BJP. He's ideologically quite aligned to the BJP as well. How are you looking at it? There are speculations rife that there perhaps could be an alliance in the offing, because now he does not have that much time to contest the elections, do the groundwork as well. Perhaps will make more sense for him to forge that alliance. What is your sense?
Preeti, see...
Chetty. My name is Chetty, but I take that as a compliment too.
Okay, sorry. I'll stand corrected. See, Rajnikant is definitely a tall political leader from today at least. Because going by his statement, we cannot rule out any kind of alliance in the future. In politics, there is no permanent enemy or permanent friends. But again, very interestingly, going by his earlier statement, he had said, I will come, I will form my party and contest all the 234 seats. He has never ever said that he is going to align with this party or that party, be it DMK, be it ADMK, be it BJP or Congress. Because Rajnikant is the only actor from Tamil Nadu who has friends with all the parties. He is very friendly, cordial, humble with everybody. Everybody likes him. Everybody wishes that he joins them. That is their wish. No wrong in it. But as far as Rajnikant is concerned, he going by his today's tweet and announcement and his press meet to the everybody, to the press people, that he is saying, yes, I am going to change everything. That means change means everything, means even it is the existing political parties. If he is going to join with the ADMK or BJP, what change he is going to make? That is my lookout, my understanding.
Yes.
So, he will, when he is making something clear, when a statement or a hashtag he creates and he sends across, he is telling now or never. If it is not now, it is going to be never. So, he is very clear. Of course, even everybody would love to join with him and everybody would love to win, because he is the winning horse. He is the winning basket. He is the most popular personality.
And as you mentioned earlier as well, be ready for a big political tsunami on the back of this news as well. Thank you so much, Mr. Rajashekaran. Continue to be with us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.